Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are traveling to Kolleru Lake and I'm gonna show you the details right now. Hey guys, now we are going to this Kolleru Lake, which is over here. This is the place we are going to. So we are traveling by bike, and we are gonna go to this Kolleru Lake, and then when we are going back, we are gonna visit the Kolleru Bird Sanctuary, and we are gonna continue home. So guys, this is the plan for today's trip, and let's get started. So guys, those were the details of the travel we are gonna go. First, we are gonna go to Kolleru Lake, and then while coming back home, we are gonna visit the Kolleru Bird Sanctuary, and we are gonna continue back home. So let's get started. Guys, I'm gonna continue filming after we reach Kolleru Lake. So let's continue. Guys, when we were traveling, we stopped for some breakfast, and there we saw some bullock carts. So I thought it would be nice to show you guys these bullock carts. Now in this 2020, there are very less bullock carts, so it's really rare to see one. So I thought to record. This is our tiffin. So we are gonna eat, and I'm gonna continue filming at the. And there's the stop. We are gonna continue at the Kolleru Sarsu. Guys, that's a really big scale of lotus. It continues way over there. It's a really big scale of lotus. Actually, I never seen this before. They all look like this. That's a really different species of bird. Guys, that's a hanging nest, and that's a resting nest over there. There are a lot of bird nests over here, and it's actually really beautiful over here. There are a lot of white lotus. It looks really beautiful. There's a bird flying over there. There are a lot of white birds, and there's a bird right over there. Can you see it? Yep. We went from another way, there are a lot of ways to Kolleru Sarsu, the Kolleru Lake, but the way in which we went was not that great. The transportation was really difficult, a lot of holes. So we can try other ways too. The way from Atapaku is the better way. So this is the Kolleru Sarsu. There are a lot of lotus. There is a really big scale of lotus, white lotus, and it's really beautiful to watch, to see all that white lotus. So it's not that great way. There are a lot of ways. If you want to come to Kolleru Lake, you have to choose the right way. There are a lot of ways, and Atapaku is the best way, but currently the way is not that good because of the floods, and it's the better way because there is boating and other stuff over there for tourists. So that's the better place. Guys, this is a boat made of wood. They cut down a tree and hollow it, and they paint it, and they use it as a boat. This boat is they used to make these boats in the olden days, and they use this long stick to paddle it, and they go fishing on this boat. And the Kolleru Sarsu is such a big water body that we can't see the other side of the water body. We can not see the other side of the water body. It's that big. So guys, there are lotuses on big scale on both the sides over there and on the other side over there, but the plants are covering it so we can't see them. So guys, this time we are not going to that bird sanctuary because it's not that good, so it's not good enough. It's really beautiful, but the way is not that great, so and it's almost lunchtime, so we are leaving to we're gonna directly go home, and we're not gonna visit the bird sanctuary, so see you there. That's another bird, another species of birds, another different kind of bird. So I'm just showing all the kinds of stuff we can see on this Sarsu, on this lake. So I'm gonna tell the results of this, how the trip was after we reach home. So that's a really big crane or whatever it is, whatever species it is, and that's really big. That's a closer look of the big bird. They wait for some fish. Guys, this is the boat which is made of tree. Guys, that's a buffalo swimming like a hippo. Look, it's swimming like a hippo. The beautiful green farms. So guys, we reached home and it was a really great journey and we enjoyed a lot. The most part we enjoyed was to see those wonderful birds. So it was a really nice journey and it was really nice to see that beautiful water bodies and those birds. It was a really nice experience. So this was the result of today's journey. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.